Hi friends. Welcome to this video on Residual Current Circuit Breaker or RCCB. In this video, we will be discussing the what is RCCB and how does it work we'll talk about. Let's start this video. The full form of RCCB is Residual Current Circuit Breaker. An RCCB is an electrical safety device that is designed to protect people from electric shocks and electrocution. It does this by constantly monitoring the flow of current in an electrical circuit and tripping the circuit if it detects a difference between the incoming and outgoing currents. It is an essential safety device that is commonly used in electrical installations, particularly in homes and businesses. To understand how an RCCB works, let's first look at how an electrical circuit works. In an electrical circuit, electricity flows from a power source to a load and then back to the source. If a person comes into contact with a live wire, they can become part of the circuit and receive an electric shock. An RCCB constantly monitors the flow of current in a circuit. It does this by measuring the current that flows through the live and neutral wires of the circuit. Inside the RCCB, there is a sensing coil that is wound around the live wire. This coil generates a magnetic field that is proportional to the current flowing through the wire. If there is a difference between the incoming and outgoing currents, it means that some of the current is flowing through an unintended path, such as a person's body. The RCCB detects this imbalance and trips, shutting off the circuit within milliseconds. To ensure that an RCCB is working correctly, it should be tested regularly with a testing device. This device applies a test current to the RCCB and checks that it trips within the specified time. In an interview, if you are asked about RCCB, you can answer that. The full form of RCCB is Residual Current Circuit Breaker. It is an important safety device that is used to protect against electrical shocks and fires. RCCBs work by detecting any imbalance in the electrical current flowing through a circuit, which could be caused by a fault or leakage to earth. If such an imbalance is detected, the RCCB quickly trips the circuit to cut off the supply of electricity, thereby preventing the risk of electrocution or fire. RCCBs are commonly used in residential, commercial, and industrial settings and are a critical component of electrical safety systems. If you are installing or upgrading your electrical system, make sure that an RCCB is included in the design. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in protecting you and your family.